you can understand projects like a virtual environment which are separated from other environments. You can ask one to be a French teacher and other one to be a marketing specialist. So project is basically a workspace that groups related files, chats, and context together so Claude can maintain consistent knowledge across multiple chats. It's the difference between one-off chat and an ongoing working relationship. Now let me walk you through an example. Let's create a new project. Here I'm going to create a content strategist for a fintech company. Let me give it a name. Let's call company ABC, which is a fintech client, and it's a content strategist. And I'm going to provide some details over here that it's a central workspace for all written content produced by the ABC marketing and content team. Now let's create this project. Now let's provide it some instructions. That you are a senior content strategist at a fintech company, a B2B payment infrastructure company, right for CFOs, controllers, and finance engineering leaders at mid-market enterprises. Then I'm telling it what kind of voice it needs to have, what it cannot use in the responses, what will be the format, and some rules. And then save instructions. These project instructions are applicable only to the chats that are within this project. It doesn't interfere with other projects' chats. So let me provide it some files which will give it some context. Click on plus, upload from device, and I have these three files which are brand guide, competitor analysis, and Q3 business review for company ABC. Now it has got some context, so its answer will be relevant to ABC. And now I will ask it for some blog post content for corporate treasurers. Write a 250-word blog post on why real-time foreign exchange matters for corporate treasurers. So you see it is actually using ABC's Q3 data and Q4 real-time FX launch plans. So this is all updated in the documents that I have provided to it. So basically it is using that as context.